Hello guys, good morning, evening, or night. Today we are going to continue our understanding of slope just by doing it on graphs or charts. So hopefully this lesson should actually be easier than calculating slope because a lot of you really like translations before we got into it, before you guys had to actually do the work for it. So hopefully this won't be too terrible for you. So when we are finding slope from the graph, we are going to count the boxes like we did at the beginning of translations. So what we want to do first is count the boxes up and down. Between points, or the y-axis. Then we want to count the boxes left and right between points. That will be on our x-axis. So then our slope will be the change in the y's over the change in the x's. Or, actually, you know what? I want to do you yellow. Or 1, or I don't want to use 1. Or y over x. So we're going to get started with this. So to change our y's, we are going up 1. And to change our x's, we're going right 1, 2. So my slope, m, equals positive 1 over positive 2. Bad, Brittany. Positive 1 over positive 2. Okay, and I'm going to show it with these different colors on each one. I'm not going to write this out anymore, all of the big writing, but this part on the left I will rewrite as we get into more examples. Okay, so for the next one, number 2, again, I am going to do y over my x's. All right, so my changing in my y's, I'm going down to get from this point to this point. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am going down 4. Down 4. And then for my x's, I am going right 1, 2, right 2. So my m is going to equal going down 4. Down means I'm coming down on my y's, which is negative. So negative 4, and I'm going to the right. As I go to the right on my x values, I am increasing my x values, positive 2. So m equals negative 2. Okay. And I'm just going to highlight the parts, so hopefully it makes sense to you guys. All right. So those are 2 examples on the graph. Hopefully it's not too terribly confusing. Next, we're going to do it off of some charts. So when we're working with the charts, we are going to pick any 2 points. Any 2 points. The slope will be the same. Just like in yesterday's word problem. So I'm going to show it using some different points. First, I'm going to write my equation, m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now I'm going to highlight some points. Let me use negative 1, 1 and 1, 2 for my first example of this. So I'm going to do 2 examples to show you that the slope's going to be the same. So using negative 1, 1 and 1, 2, that will be x1, y1, x2, y2. All right, change my y's. 2 minus negative 1. No, I lied. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 over 1 minus negative 1. This becomes 2 minus 1 over 1 plus 1, or 1 over 2. Okay? The other points that I can use for this, or another set of points I can use for this, would be 3, 3. 3, 3, and 5, 4. So 3, 3, and 5, 4. x1, y1, x2, y2. M equals 4 minus 3 over 5 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. Notice how either way we got the same slope. So whichever points we used, it would have worked. All right. We have 2 more examples, and then we are done for the day. This one's nice, quick, and easy because yesterday we did the hard part of learning the formula and how to use it. So, example 4. Finding the slope. Again, I am going to rewrite my equation. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. I am first going to pick 2 random points. I will use negative 4, 6 and negative 2, 6. So, negative 4, 6 and negative 2, 6. x1, y1, x2, y2. M equals 6 minus 6 over negative 2 minus negative 4, or 6 minus 6 over negative 2 plus 4, which becomes 0 over 2, or m equals 0. Okay, I'm going to do that with another set of points. We'll use negative 2, 6 and 0, 6. Okay. -2, 6, and 0, 6. x1, y1, x2, y2. M equals 6 minus 6 over 0 minus -2, or 6 minus 6 over 0 plus 2, which becomes 0 over 2, or 0. Again, no matter what 2 points I choose, I should get the same slope value. Okay? And very last example of the day. All right. Again, I will start by writing my equation. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay? First, I am going to use the 2 points, -6, -4, and -5, -9. -6, -4, and -5, -9. x1, y1, x2, y2. M equals -9 minus -4 over -5 minus -6, or -9 plus 4 over -5 plus 6. So it is -5 over 1, or M equals -1. Okay? Another set of points I can do this with is -6, -4, and -2, -24. Those points are really spread out. Hopefully they'll work. Let's see. I have -6, 4, -4, and -2, -24. x1, y1, x2, y2. M equals -24 minus -4 over -2 minus -6, or -24 plus 4 over -2 plus 6, which is -20 over +4. M equals -5. Oh my goodness, above, I made an error. I really hope I said that would be -5, but I really don't know. But -5 divided by 1, regardless, is -5. -20 divided by 4 is -5. So in each of these examples, I tried to show how you can do it using the graph and how you can use it using the chart. Using the chart, regardless, it does not matter what 2 x, y pairs you use, as long as you solve for the slope and you count correctly. Hopefully those notes weren't too terrible, and be sure to work on the U-Try problems for this lesson. Have a good day, night, or evening.